something quick that you can afford, that you can couple with other things that you're doing at home to help you move the needle forward so that you can lose weight and feel lighter, have more mobility, decrease medication usage, prevent medication usage, just feel great in your body. Hello, friends. Welcome back to another informative session. I am so excited to finally bring all this information to you guys. As many of you are aware, we have been working on some cost-effective products or services that many of you can benefit from. And it's going to be a few series of videos, but the first one, this one, is about the weight loss injections that we are bringing to our clinic. Many of you guys don't know, since we have quite a few people in our world, in our clinic, in our business. I am a weight loss doctor. I've received my certifications in weight loss. I had 3 weight loss programs that I retired. So when I say weight loss is easy to me, weight loss is very easy to me. Even my total body restoration program, when patients enroll into that program, every single one of them will tell us, report it back to us that they lost weight. So I know how to address weight loss at the cellular level. Because I know when it comes to weight gain, many of us feels like we're carrying the baggage. I know that's how I felt when I went on my weight loss journey 15 years ago. Felt heavy in my body. I felt inflamed. And no matter what I did, changing my diet, exercising, the weight wasn't coming off. Having had multiple weight loss programs that I retired for different reasons, and also see that my patients are losing weight in all of my programs, whether we're working on weight loss or not, because when you lose toxins, you lose weight. I say, got something here. So to couple whatever we are doing with our patients, whether it's the body restoration program or my private patients, I'm bringing in the weight loss injections. And I'm not talking about semaglutide, no GLP-1. There are other ways of losing weight that doesn't require toxins or chemicals. So I'm going to share my screen with you. And if you've been in the IV vitamin therapy world, you might be familiar with the term that I'm going to use. But one thing that makes us different than the other spa or lounges or other places that are doing weight loss injections is that I really, really studied the companies that I get my products from. They are preservative free. Like, I really pay attention to the dosage, and we tested them first before we put it out in the public. If you are following my recommendations, you're doing the recommended weight loss injections, the amount that I'm prescribing, plus you have a diet at home and you're moving your body, there's no way you're not going to lose weight. No way. Again, you have to follow my recommended injections, the amount of injections I'm recommending, because those are the amount that we studied, that people have reported to us where they actually feel a difference. So I'm going to bring the science out. Here we go. I'll share my screen for my clinician guide to tell you why I'm using those products and indications are for and how they can help you or somebody that you might know lose weight. We are in the second month of 2025, and I know many of us entered this year, 2025, with the goal of losing weight. And for many of us, we're not getting there, unfortunately. We're like not losing the weight, or we lost the weight, we're getting it back, or we're actually doing the most to lose the weight. I want to tell you, weight loss doesn't have to be complicated. Weight loss can be simple and easy if you have the right guide, the right therapies, the right services, and the right treatment protocol. And I also want to tell you, exercising until you drop dead is not the way to lose weight, because I know many people, they have chronic fatigue, brain fog, they're pushing themselves, they live on stimulants and caffeine, and they go into the gym. It's like, you're doing yourself a disservice. Please don't do that. Please don't do that. All right, so let me share my screen and show you what we're bringing into our clinic and the prices as well, because we have a promotion running right now where you can get any of these injections for a very low cost price. But before we do that, we talk about money. Let me show you the science behind it. I want to be transparent with you. And I also want you to know what you put into your body. Lipotrophic agents are the weight loss, the natural way of losing weight, the natural ingredient for weight loss. When it comes to weight loss, we have to look at a few things. One is toxicity. So my total body restoration will definitely help you with that. And the second one is hormonal imbalance. My total body restoration can help you start balancing your hormones And then fat, right? So if we're losing weight, we don't want to lose muscle, we want to lose fat. And many of us are not aware that the fat loss comes from the liver. Hence, we have our total body restoration program. So to couple that, I am prescribing to you and all the people that are really interested in weight loss. They want to lose weight, they want to stay different, but they don't want to take the medications or do the injections. The MICC, we call it the MICC, which is methionine, inositol, and choline. Now, you might say, well, Dr. Genty, I've had that injections before, did nothing for me. We use the most potent dosage here. So lipotrophic agents are like substance that helps you control your body fat, lipids. Some of them will also work on your cholesterol, as you can read here. We want to burn fat. We want to have more muscle. We don't want to hold on to all these fat that are not serving us. We want to let go of them. So when you do lipotrophic injections, you're doing a few things. You're moving the fat out of your liver that have been trapped in the liver out of your body. So that's going to lead to weight loss, because when we hold on to fat, we gain. With inositol, you can also control some of your cholesterol. For those of you who has fatty liver disease or that's a fancy name for fat trapped in the liver. Now, I have the liberty to go into more detail. So for methionine, this is what it does, which is these things are amino acids. They lack protein. Lipotrophic reduces fat, lowers your cholesterol, supports your liver. It is antioxidant. It's not just weight loss you're losing, you're also working on your immune system, also collagen production. And then what I love about methionine also helps with mood support. So yes, you're gonna feel good as you're losing the weight. Inositol does something similar. This product uses food for energy. So you see, methionine didn't really mention energy. Inositol helps with energy and also helps with hair and nail support. So I always use things that are multitaskers, because at the end of the day, you want to make sure that we are addressing multiple things. Inositol also helps with glucose metabolism. That's the food we use into energy. So you're losing weight, you're improving your moods, you're improving your immune system, you're improving your hair and nail support, and then you're also improving energy. And then some of the injections also gonna have L-carnitine. L-carnitine is really good for weight loss, and it's also good to decrease food cravings and help support your insulin, which is the hormone that is implicated in diabetes. With L-carnitine, levocarnitine, you're also going to regulate your cholesterol, your triglyceride, and then you're also going to have increased HDL, which is the good cholesterol in our bodies. I'm putting this in all my weight loss because I don't want you to have the cravings. It is very important to me that when you go home, you're not submitting to the cookies and the ice cream, because you're going to self-sabotage. You're spending money on these injections. We want to make sure we're getting results as well. So if this sounds good to you, like what Dr. Genty, hello, sign me up, then I would love for you to participate in our promotion that we have running right now, where you get one injection. The price is $40. Hello guys, I have to do a quick interjection here to tell you that I gave you guys the wrong price. So it's $45 per injection, and I recommend 10 because with 10, that's where we see the most results. Okay, it's not $40. I'm so sorry, I gave you the wrong price. It's $45 per each injections. So now let's go back to the rest of the video. It is easy. It's only gonna take you 5 minutes. It's painless, just a little pinch, I promise. We are very gentle. But think about the benefits of it. We also add in B12 as well. This injection is gonna have quite a few things in it. We're gonna have the 3 amino acids, which is the methionine, inositol, and choline. We're also gonna have L-carnitine, and then we're gonna have B12, which is the methylcobalamin that many of us need for nerve conduction, energy production, moods. I mean, B vitamins, B12 has like over 300 function in the body. So you can never go wrong with having B12. Since it is a water-soluble vitamins, that means you can pee it out. But we're adding B12 to kind of support the cells in the body as this transformation is taking place. Also good for aging. If you're interested, I'm doing all of the things I can benefit from a few more pounds, a few more fat reductions. I can actually see my muscles coming out. The MICC B12C, that's going to be beneficial to you. Now, I'm recommending 10 injections because I see the most results with 10 injections. You can start with 6, but I recommend 10. Then, of course, in the promotion, if you're part of my total body restoration program, you already have the meal plan, you already have the kidney, liver, lymphatic system going for you. There's no way you're not going to drop a few pounds. No way. With this injection, it's like an icing on the cake. Reach out to us, schedule your first injection. I can't wait to see the transformation. And what I love about these injections, it's not like you're going to gain the weight back because when you lose fat, unless you go back to eating the same thing you were eating before, then yeah, you're gonna gain the weight back. But we are addressing removing fat from the liver. We're helping the liver function better with decreasing your cholesterol. And then choline is also good for brain too. So there's like brain. It's not just the weight loss you're gonna experience other results. Anyways, I'm so excited. Can't. Yay! Finally, finally found a company that has the dosage that I'm looking for. All right, so until then, I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy. I can't wait for you to come in and get this injection. Let's go. Let's lose the weight. Let's feel amazing before summer gets here. Bye.